When traveling from place to place, where do you keep your essential bathroom and beauty products? In a bag like this, or maybe even. Has a lack of organization in existing traveling cases resulted in digging through clutter to find one product? Hi, I'm Georgie Osgood, a product design and communication design senior at Parsons School of Design, and this is Totem. Totem is a compact storage and travel solution for your on-the-go lifestyle. When you reach your destination, your Totem safely transported your cosmetic essentials. Open your Totem, take out your products, flip your Totem, and organize your products in a desired display. Inspired by the original Totem, I created Totem Mini, a customizable organizer that infinitely grows with your growing collection of products. Interested in building your own Totem? Start by picking a part. Each Totem is made up of 4 parts: a top, shelf, wall, and an optional holder. Next, slot each part into place and build your Totem. Fill and organize your Totem with all your desired products. And that's Totem, now available on bzrstudio.com.